What up, y'all? It's your boy Key, and welcome to the Beat Channel. Y'all be sure to like and subscribe for your boy, you know. Let's run it up. But yeah, okay, I'm finna show y'all how I made the stellar beat. The recent beat I did pertaining to this video right here. So yeah, I'm gonna play a little glimpse of it, a little snippet, a little. Sounds pretty nice, right? Alright, so I'm finna show y'all the process I did. Okay, now when I start making beats, I always start with the chords, you know. But this time I wanted to get like an EDM feel. You know, kind of hyper pop-ish EDM feel with these chords. So let me show y'all what I did. I made some EDM chords, basically. It sounds pretty EDM-ish, electronic-ish. I'll just play it. And that's with the kickstart. That's like a side chain, and this is without the side chain. It's just basic. But then I put the kickstart on, so this is how it sounds. Okay, y'all got it. Y'all get it. And then I added a layer. This is the layer. You know, you gotta add them layers, you know. And then after that, I added a lead, which sounds like this. You know, something, not nothing major. It just goes with the chords. So this is what we have. Wait, oops. And in the beginning, I added a re-space. You know, that sounds kind of omniference, kind of eerie bass. This is the ominous with all of it together. Yeah, it just goes with the chords, the bass notes of the chord. Nothing major. Nothing too hard, you know. And then after that, I added a bass, you know, an 808. And the 808 follows the bass chords too, so it's the same. And then yeah, let's get into the percussion. You know, we got the hats, the snares, and the open hats. Okay, now let's start with the hats first. This is what the hats are, you know. Nothing too big. The only probably thing I did was like do a little sweep up with the hats right here. You know, nothing too big. And then we got the open hats. And it's only great because I use two. So one is a, and the other is a. So you got it, and you got it. Now we got the snare. You know the. So we got. Oh yeah, I added a crash too, so you know, a little. See, it's kind of on the point that. And this is with it with the 808 in the head. That could be a beat in itself while you playing though. But yeah, and then You know, I wanted to pump it up a little bit. You don't have to necessarily do this if you don't want to, but I just added a kick with it to add an extra punch, so it starts like. And yeah, and I guess for the second part, I just added another lead, so it was. I guess you, if you want to hear it, it's just like something, a counter melody kind of. Okay, and I just pitched it up after that. And yeah, next we have is the fill. I did a drum fill. I love drum fills. I don't know why. So it just sounds like this. How it sounds all together. Yeah. So basically this. It's just a drum fill. You know, just slap it in there. You don't really have to do much with that. But it gives a lot of effect, and I like it. Oh yeah, and I added some cymbals too, some more and some shakers, so it sounds like this. Just to give the beat some more direction, you know. And yeah, after that I just rearranged it and did some arranging. Oh yeah, and after that I added halftime. Oh yeah, at the end, if y'all want to know, it's just halftime. You can do this with Gross Beats. I think it's Gross Beats. Is it Gross Beats? Let me check. Let me see. Yeah, it's Gross Beat. You can do it with Gross Beat too, but I just put a triplet on it, so it sounds like this. That's all for this beat. It was pretty easy. Y'all make sure to like, share, subscribe, so I'll know if y'all want more of these tutorials on how to make them. And yeah, I mean, yeah, y'all go crazy with it. You know, like, peace, I guess.